Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable or disable Shopify accelerated checkout on Shopify. Now in the product page, if you consider add to cart and you consider Shop Pay, you want to deactivate it or you want to activate it, this video is for you. In a few seconds, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate or deactivate Shop Pay inside the product page of your Shopify store. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and after that you want to click on payments. Okay, now assuming you already signed up for the Shopify payments, okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to click on manage in the top right here where you can see manage, and then you need to scroll down a little bit under their Shop Pay. You need to disable it like this. Okay, you either enable it, you can check this, or uncheck it. If you check this and you click on save, that's how you can activate Shop Pay. But if you uncheck it and you click on save, then Shop Pay is not going to be activated. And you can see that when you go to the product page of your Shopify. So let me show you guys. If you go to your products on Shopify, you will be able to like, as you can see here now, buy now. But before, you are going to see your Shop Pay. Okay, if this one helped you, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you.